All right, all right, all right. Am I making noise? Yep, I see lights. All right. So where are we? Man, I don't know if it's Thursday, if it's Wednesday. What is it? Oh, it's Thursday. Ah, damn. Wow. Week's moving along. Okay, Thursday the 11th. Very good. So we should have jobless claims. We got PPI at 8:30. Core PPI and jobless claims. So 8:30 is a big time for us. A lot of reports. Nat gas, um, Michigan consumer sentiment. I mean, yeah, well, that's tomorrow. Um, so jobless claims is going to be interesting. People are going to look at that because of the non-farm report and how aggressive that was. So that's going to be a topic of conversation. I don't think there should be any surprises in the producer price index or the core. So yeah, just if you're trading futures, watch your downside. Otherwise, you'll see an effect at the open. So let's get right to it, shall we? There we go. We're looking at oil, and we're really watching this micro trend. I think there was a flag on the daily that might have triggered. Yeah, and then we triggered this bear flag, and then we snapped back. So I'm just watching this micro trend on the 240s, and I'm just neutral on this, watching pending that micro trend break, which is down about 4 points from where oil's trading right now. Oh, good. But it's looking like there's some weight on it. And this counter investment of gold is just not doing it. This is actually a corrupt bar. Should be a shooting star right here. So we're just watching the shooting star on the daily. If we break yesterday's low today, then we're going to see a move down. Momentum isn't that supportive. I don't know how aggressive it's going to be. It could be putting in a higher low, but we're just neutral on gold watching that. There's just nothing going on with gold these days. Bonds is looking kind of ominous. I think we had a daily shooting star right here, this bar right here. We break that low today, and we're going to start making a move down in bonds, which will made a good pot of coffee this morning. That should increase. That's going to start jacking up those interest rates a little bit. But that's what we should expect right here: a little move down, a float down on bonds, and it should be fairly aggressive. Not in the velocity, but perhaps the span of the move. First test will be down around 140 and 30 seconds, and then the next test will be 137 and 30 seconds. So yeah, if you want to take advantage of that, you could trade the TBT. That'll take you short bonds, and you could end up taking advantage of that move. Just watch the futures and watch for the break right there. The pattern should be similar in the reverse on the TBT. And that's it, bonds. And then last but not least, let's take a look at the S&P. The S&P. All right, so we're looking at a weekly chart right here, which is a very interesting chart because you can see we were in a downtrend on the weeklies. Let's consolidate that a little bit. No, that's about as consolidated as it gets. And we broke the last pivot high today. So that takes us out of a downtrend, and that puts us in consolidation right now. But what we keep an eye on is a higher low, right? And then we'll expect to make a higher high, and that could be a trend reversal right there. So right now we have we're in a consolidation / pending trend reversal. So that's what we're watching. We're neutral to bullish, pending a trend reversal. Very exciting, very interesting. It would be nice to see this turn around or even consolidate for a little while. I can go for that. A little consolidation. Everybody calm down, take a breath. and then maybe make a move up. So we could watch for a daily breakout today. May continue to move higher. Would be nice if it puts in something a little more solid just above the pivot high, and then turn around and give us that trend. So basically, that's about it, man. This could be the turning point. So keep your eyes open. Hopefully, you were chipping away at some good stuff while everything was moving down. We pointed out a few equities here, but that being said, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. And anything you do, comments, cash to the apps and the links in the description is greatly appreciated. Spread the word, and everybody have a good day trading.